If you think that painting roses are hard, this might completely change your mind. Hello, welcome back to Grace and Colors. My name is Grace, and if this is your first time here, you are very welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these bold textured red roses using simple brush strokes. No complicated techniques, just something anyone can try. If you're a beginner, I think this is a very good painting idea to start with. As you can see, I started with a very deep green background. Don't try to make it perfect. The texture actually makes it more natural and more interesting. And because at this point you do not need to be perfect, you can actually relax and just enjoy adding colors to the canvas. And the next step here is to map out where your roses will go on the canvas. Now comes the fun part, painting the roses. As you can see here, I just used very thick red paint and applied it with confident, messy strokes. I just kept going and going until I was happy with what I saw. Notice how I'm not trying to paint every petal. The texture does the work for me. This is one of the biggest secrets for beginners. To give the roses depth, I added darker tones in the center and lighter highlights on top. Then I added the stem and leaves using darker greens. I just played with it until I was satisfied. Keep your brush loose here. Imperfection actually makes plants look more natural. If you're just starting out, don't overthink it. Paintings like this aren't about perfection, they're about expression. Every painting you finish builds your confidence. And here is the final result. Simple, bold, and something anyone can create with a little practice. If you enjoyed this video, don't stop here. Try painting this yourself and tell me how it goes in the comments. If you want more easy painting ideas like this one, please subscribe to the channel and support by giving a like, and watch out for more videos like this one.